Clear.
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 sun's still out though.
What's that?
That sounds good.
See, when y'all brought it in here, you did the wings here, huh? Yeah. And there was a tree on it. That tree, y'all gotta, it's tight. Yeah. I think you gotta cut that one down. No, but we can get, yeah, we'll make it. And most times, folks, they tack a little to this side.
That sounds good.
How many man hours y'all got in? Get it back to this. We might have 40. Like I said, she wasn't that bad off. We could have ferried her back. But the airport wasn't.
They're picky.
They were not wanting to cooperate. So we said no sweat. We got a 64 Galaxy. It's got 4 years of man hours.
Yeah, it's an old car.
Sometimes projects take long like
Yeah.
that.
I took the generator out. I switched it to an alternator. Because the generator, try to drive it at night, I just get stranded.
Yeah.
But the engine's a Continental.
Yeah, it's a C. Oh, no. This one's a 0300.
Oh, okay. It's weird. It's raining. The sun's out.
That means the devil's beating his wife.
He's at it running for 10 minutes. I started filming as soon as it cranked.
It ain't cough, it ain't spit.
I like the orange. I like the orange and the brown.
Cleveland Brown.
Yeah, yeah. That's what it looked like.
I still think we need to put the tree on. That tree right there. That's a pallet. I know you just watch something like that.
Yeah. I just don't have money for it. Rich man's hobby. I guess if you really want to do it, you find a way.
It's becoming useful. We're standing in line with TSA.
Yeah. That's true. Would be a lot of fun.
I guess the next thing Adam's got to do is get an airworthiness certificate from the FAA after that ground.
Who?
Adam's got to get an airworthiness.
Oh, yeah. They look good, though. I didn't even notice. I'm gonna have an RC and full scale channel.
There you go.
Yeah. You don't like the RC stuff, you watch the full scale stuff. If you don't like the full scale stuff, you watch RC. What?
They need our help.
just go to airports. I just watch them. I don't get to touch them. He said he was never a commercial pilot. He just does it for fun. I seen truck drivers, they do it for fun. Their job is the road.
Yeah, being a commercial pilot.
That's a rig right there. Yeah, he gonna pick up another plane with it.
Kansas City to get some barbecue ribs. Go with him. Be a hot shot driver going back to plane.
This guy was coming out of that Kinley truck stop pulling an old Coast Guard C-130, the fuse.
Oh, really?
On a low boy. I bet that pays good.
Yeah, they have wide load.
Yeah.
They had to have one.
That idle is good too.
Bombing. 6 cylinders.
I think a tail dragger would be easier plane to fly.
Well, the thing of it is you got to do S-turn so you can see.
Oh yeah.
But for you, for flaring,
They're easier.
Dave said they come over to the left more and then get out. Boy, I'd want some of the trees come back. I mean, all that brush.
Yeah, probably just taxi on the grass.
I would. Get some goats.
He's had it running for like 15 minutes.
What's that?
He had it running for 15 minutes because I started as soon as it.
Okay.
How long do you think the engine's sat?
Well, I know before we went and picked it up, a buddy of ours, he went down and looked at it for us, and he cranked it up, and he was the one that let us know that it's more than just something to part out.
Yeah. The tail draggers, they're easier to land, I'm guessing? No.
Tail dragger is harder to land.
Than the regular one.
Yeah.
And then you gotta do S-turns to see when you're taxiing.
It depends. Like that one's not too bad. You don't need to do S-turns. But you get something like that down there, that red Cessna 195.
Yeah. Because of how high it sits up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's something you would have to do S-turns on.
Yeah,
So much of this.
we go to Triple Tree Aerodrome in South
yeah.
Carolina for the RC event.
Oh, really?
But they do Joe Knoll Week. It's like the biggest RC event because they shut the airfield down there, and one big RC event in May. But I know they do a lot of full scale stuff.
That's all dollar signs. They sold Mustang.
Yeah, he had a P-51 for a couple of years, but they got a Trojan now, a T-28 Trojan. They got it donated.
That used to be the chase bird for a drag. Orange and white.
But the one plane in that hangar, everybody thinks it's a Texan. It's not a. It's not. It's like another trainer plane. It looks exactly like a Texan though.
Yeah.
It just. I think a Texan has retracts. That one's fixed. But the grass there, he takes care of that.
Yeah.
That strip. The grass is like golf grass.
Yeah, I landed there when I went to the chili. They have a chili thing twice
Yeah.
a year. I went to the one in the fall, I think.
He's trying to buy up the land because he don't want development to come there. Because if development comes there and mess with the airfield, yeah.
We were here first.
Yeah. Yep. Like 19